What's going on, Rhode Island? It's me, Francis Geraldo, with the Geraldo Group, and I am joined here by my business partner and friend, Danny Ortiz. How's it going, Danny?
Francis, how are you?
Good, good, good. Beautiful day.
Beautiful day. Thank you for the invite. I'm excited to be here. Beautiful office right on Main Street, East Greenwich.
Beautiful, beautiful. Now, Danny,
Beautiful.
what is it that you do?
What do I do? I am a lender. I work for a bank, Guild Mortgage.
Yep,
I'm part
beautiful.
of the Bobby K. Roos team.
Bobby,
Uh,
shout outs to Bobby.
Shout outs to Bobby. So we do mortgages. That's what we do. We help people, uh, buy homes with your help, of course. But yeah, we are on the lending side. We are the financing side of a transaction.
Beautiful, beautiful. Now, one thing that I wanted to touch base to today is about there's always a myth out there that you need 20% down to buy a
Yeah,
home. Is that true?
that is completely not true.
Okay, good, 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 good. Because 20%, I mean, that can be
That could
eighty
be
thousand
a
dollars
lot, a
or
lot.
more.
Yeah. So yeah, let's dive right into that, right?
Perfect. Let's dive into it.
So no, you do not need 20% down to buy a home, right? You can go as little as 3% down,
Ooh.
3.5% down for some programs.
Yep.
You have to be qualified, of course, but as long as you qualify, you can get into a home with as little as 3% down.
Beautiful.
But yeah, that's something that people don't realize. People think that it's always 20%,
Mhm.
and really there isn't, right? And there's also, on top of that, we can dive deep into with another video
Mhm.
about programs that are available for first-time home buyers.
Ooh, can we touch a little bit on that?
Yeah. So there are programs available where yes, you would still need a 3.5% down,
Mhm.
but on top of that, there are programs, as long as you qualified again, where you can actually almost have no money out of pocket to buy your first home.
Mm.
So yeah, that's something that we utilize a lot,
Yep,
right?
definitely.
But yeah, there's definitely no. You do not need 20% down to buy a home.
Beautiful, beautiful. Yeah, because I mean, it's always been a myth out there that you need that 20% down.
Right,
So it's always very important to let people know, say, hey, you could get a grant from the state, depending on
right,
your situation,
right.
and depending if you qualify. So ideally, if you could get to 20% down, perfect.
Perfect.
Meaning, you're
Right.
gonna have more equity in your
No
home,
PMI,
no
which we
PMI.
discussed in another video if you're following us.
Correct,
Uh,
correct.
but yes, yeah. So, and another thing too that I want to talk about was the do you can you receive a gift, right? Because
Mm.
I
I
get
like
questions
gifts.
all the time, right? To buy a home, can I receive a gift? And the answer, in a nutshell, is if you're doing an FHA loan,
Mhm.
some conventionals you can do it, but an FHA, which is what most first-time home buyers will utilize,
Yep.
yes, you can receive a gift for the purchase of your home.
So
Yep.
now if my sister has $10,000 under her mattress, can she gift me that?
Unfortunately not, Francis. No.
Ah,
We would have to, in our industry is called, we
mm,
would have to source the money.
got it.
But if the money's been on their bank account for at
Mhm.
least 30 days,
Yep.
then we can utilize it.
Beautiful. So it
Yeah.
just needs to be in a bank account. It needs to be sourced.
It needs to be sourced, as we call it. Yeah.
Can there be multiple gifts, or does it have to just be one
No,
person?
there can be multiple sources of gifts.
Mm.
FHA or the government loan, FHA
Yep.
by the Federal Housing Administration, is very flexible when it comes to first-time home buyers. In terms of, like, sometimes you don't have all the money with you.
Of course.
Sometimes you need help from family,
Of course.
and they will allow that. So yes, gifts are great, and we utilize them all the time for
Beautiful.
first-time home buyers.
Now, Denny, can I apply for a loan? Let's say if my sister and I wanted to buy a house together,
Yeah.
can we buy it together? And how many people can be on a loan? Like, is there a limit, or is it just one person? How does that work?
Yeah, that's a great question, especially in our market right now.
Mhm.
Um, No, yeah, you don't have to be alone. There could be
Mm.
multiple people in a loan. As a matter of fact, we're doing a couple of transactions right now, a couple of loans for our
Yep.
buyers, where the mom and a son are buying a home.
Hmm.
There's another one where there's the mom, the dad, and the daughter are buying a home.
Oh.
So as long as people live in the property,
Mhm.
yes, you could be 4 people on a mortgage to buy a home.
Beautiful, beautiful. Like most people don't know these things.
Yeah, people think that it's either me or my wife and
Yep.
that's it. No, nope. We can be family members as well.
I like it. I like it. Well, Danny, thank you so much for joining us today and debunking that the myth about needing 20% down to be able to buy a house.
Great.
And thank you for the 3 tips that you gave us as well.
Thank you,
So
Francis.
make sure people that you get your credits up if you're not there yet. And again, Danny, if somebody wants to reach out to you with a question regarding buying, where can they reach you at?
Thank you, Francis. Yeah, so you can reach me at my phone number is 401-578-1404. Again, 401-578-1404. You can always email me at danny.ortiz. That is DANY.Ortiz, ORTIZ, at guildmortgage.net. You can also find me on Facebook or Instagram under Danny Ortiz Mortgage.
Danny, thank you so much for joining us for another episode. I'm sure that I'll be seeing you soon. Take care now.